Unscrew the lid of the gas phase liquid nitrogen tank. Remove the original door magnetic switch on the gas phase tank with a cross screwdriver. Strip the end with the induction line from the liquid nitrogen tank. Strip the thermoplastic tube where the door magnetic switch connection line is connected to the connection line on the gas phase tank. Untie the connection between the two lines. Take out the new door magnetic switch. Strip the plastic at the front end of the two lines. Put the thermoplastic tube on the two lines respectively. Connect the two lines on the door magnetic switch to the two lines on the gas phase tank respectively. After the two lines are connected, move the thermoplastic tube to the connection. Use a hot air blower to shape the thermoplastic tube. Wrap the connected induction line. Fix the door magnetic switch to the liquid nitrogen tank with screws. Rotate the cover plug of the liquid nitrogen tank and check whether the screen shows the status of the cover plug closed and opened. If it is displayed, it means that the door magnetic switch has been replaced successfully.